Hello everyone, I'd like to show you this amazing tool called edpuzzle. I'm in my account under my content, and I want to show you that you can actually get content from edpuzzle, YouTube, Khan Academy, National Geographic, and others. And so what I want to click on for you here is edpuzzle. And I'm going to type in, as I think of starting my new year, I always have to go over chemistry lab safety. And it can be, chemistry lab safety can be kind of boring to cover. So what you see here is there are already videos that I can watch. There are already videos that I can copy or edit. In fact, this video seems to be very popular right here. And you see different teachers have actually edited the video and added 7 questions. And so this video over here, they've added 14 questions on lab safety. So let's take a look at this video. Okay. And when I play this video, okay, it actually shows some examples on chemistry lab safety, and then right here it stops with a question.
The chemistry laboratory can be an interesting place.
So let me just let you hear this for a minute.
It can also be a dangerous place if
and then let me
safety
show
rules
you
are
how
ignored. Your school knows that safety is important, and so should you. These students are working in the laboratory without wearing their safety goggles. As you will see, this can be a very risky thing to do. Although you may be a very cautious worker, your neighbor may not be. Notice the student on the left is applying a strong flame to a test tube containing a liquid. Because the test tube is not being heated evenly and gently, and is...
Okay. So here's the first question after the first 50 minutes. And I'm not able to respond right now because I'm just viewing it. But it says, what lab equipment are students not wearing that will help prevent eye damage? And right here, they need to click safety goggles before they can continue
also being carelessly
onto
held.
the next part of the video.
Contents can easily be bumped from the
So
test
I
tube,
can
perhaps into a neighbor's eyes.
stop this. I can stop this video. I can share this video, or I can copy it to my content. I could do two things. I can copy it to my content, or I can copy and edit it some more. So again, this is amazing in that the videos are already there. I've looked at some other ones. This one seems to be very popular. This is a video that actually just talks about our safety contract. And it's kind of boring actually. And then here's another video that has been edited already by some people, and it's only 7 minutes long, and there are 9 questions. Again, I've watched some of these and they're pretty good. So what a great tool. I hope you'll check it out for your content area. Again, it's great for teaching and assessment, especially with something as important as chemistry lab safety. Thank you for watching.